Okay, so in the shark section here, we're going to target a couple different things. First of all, I want you to figure out the 3 most dangerous sharks in the whole world. And our first most dangerous shark is the bull shark. A couple reasons why it's most dangerous. It's because it has the highest testosterone levels of any shark in the world. It's always aggressive. Number 2, it can be found in freshwater areas as well as saltwater areas. They can be found as far north in the Mississippi as Illinois. And so freshwater is not a safe haven if you're in an area where bull sharks could be. So most dangerous. Second most dangerous, the great white shark. We do have great whites off Oregon. Luckily we don't have bull sharks. Bull sharks are tropical. Great whites though are temperate. A lot of times we have them here in September. A lot of times when they attack though, it's mistaken identity. They'll take one bite, it's like, oh, it's not a fat seal like we thought, so they'll let go. But they don't attack a whole lot. Now, if you look at the teeth of this great white shark, you'll notice that the top are serrated and triangular. Those are for slicing and dicing bigger organisms into smaller organisms. And then they have the pointed bottom teeth, and that's for holding the prey. So these pointed bottom teeth hold the prey, they grab a prey item, and then they slice and dice with those triangular top ones. And that's what you see there. And then the third most dangerous one, also not here, but in Hawaii, is the tiger shark. Now the tiger sharks are known as garbage can sharks. They can eat anything. As you see in this diagram, things that have been found in the stomach is a 6-foot missile, a suit of armor, a keg of nails, a crate of wine, a box of jewels, numerous things. They will eat anything. Those are our top 3 most dangerous sharks. Now another thing, this is really cool. So if you touch this shark here, it feels picky. And you can look through this little microscope here, you turn on the light, and you look here at the skin of a prickly shark and a Port Jackson shark. And when you look at it, you see here, they're little tiny teeth called denticles. We don't call them scales, we call them denticles, because they're not truly scales. Each single scale on the body of a shark actually is a tooth. It has an enamel layer, a pulp cavity, and a dentin layer. So when you're touching this, you're touching their teeth, not their scales. And that's kind of cool. And the last thing that's really neat, well, there's a lot of neat things about sharks, is if you're looking here, difference between skates and rays. Skates are primarily triangular. They have no barb like you see on the right. They're found in temperate areas, and then they put their young in these little mermaids' purses. Rays tend to be round. They do have the barb, more tropical areas, and they give birth to live young. So we have down here the round ones. Those are rays, and these triangular ones, these are skates. This is what we find off Oregon. This is more tropical.